This is so humiliating!
How did I go from this to this?
Okay. Whatever that means.
I feel completely crushed right now.
That's some bullshit.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
I am a woman in STEM. Bunsen burner. On. I'm in my element when I study the elements, and I do it with gusto. NASA, call me.
By all means, move at a glacial pace. You know how that thrills me.
Do you get... Ah!
I used to think that I was hard to love. Like, something about me was just a little bit off. But then I realized that I was falling in love with people who didn't understand my spark.
This is your man.
Yes,
Look at the screen.
that's mine. And,
And,
I'm gonna stick beside him.
that's what you're going to settle for.
I'm gonna stick beside him.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's the bleacher and the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brink of every wall that's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the color? Just relax, my friend, you're overthinking. And even if there is a problem, there's a solution. Remember to breathe, put your mind at ease. Soon this feeling's gonna pass, you will